Now very important question. What is the question? We have to find the ratio in which the plane 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 1 divides the line joining the points which are given to us. Now, let coordinates of P we are taking as x, y, z. Let P, x, y, z divides the line segment joining, let it be A, negative of 2, 4, negative of 6, and B, 3, minus 5, 8, in the ratio k is to 1. Okay? Now, using section formula, coordinates of point P. Now we are having ratio m1 ratio m2 is what? K ratio 1. Okay. So 3k minus 2 upon k plus 1, then negative of 5k plus 4 upon k plus 1, and then 8k negative of 6 upon k plus 1. These are the coordinates of point P. Now, since P lies on the plane, it is given 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to 1. Okay, we have just supposed a P point, so we are writing since P lies on the plane. Therefore, 3 with 3k negative of 2 upon k plus 1 plus 4 times negative of 5k plus 4 upon k plus 1 negative of 5 with coordinates of z 8k minus 6 upon k plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So, we are just solving this part. Now, this becomes 9k minus 6 negative of 20k plus 16 negative of 40k plus 30 is equal to k plus 1. Okay. Taking LCM. Now, this becomes, now we are having 9k and then 20 and 40 60, 1k shifts to this side 61, 61 minus 9, that is 52k is equal to 39. K is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Hence, P divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 4. Answer.